it's important probably just to acknowledge that garment workers in recent times, mainly women, stood up and spoke out in a place on an issue that is long known as an open secret. And the fact that they raised their voices, and the fact that they went to the same place actually as the Imperial Typewriters workers went to organise. When they organised, they went to Spinning Park. And almost from the same place, at the same point, garment workers in Leicester spoke up and spoke out. Next year will be the 50th anniversary of the Imperial Typewriters strike. It's a pivotal moment that we're in Black History Month. Of course, we want Black History to be celebrated every day, every month. But we have this month where we can mark it. And I'm here before you. I'm here before you as the first Black female MP for Leicester East. Not just that. Not just that, but the first MP born in Leicester. The first MP born in Leicester who witnessed and grew up as a child, inspired by those women that chose to strike. I stand before you as a Member of Parliament directly inspired by those South Asian women of the Imperial Typewriter factory who chose not to give up. And I too will never give up, and like them, will always fight for our class. So solidarity, my friends.